Hello fellow teachers and students. My name is Warren Hammond from the Teacher Trainers channel, and I will be your teacher for the lesson today. We all know how important it is to show appreciation and care for all those hardworking super teachers out there. And with Teachers Day right around the corner, we thought it would be the perfect time to show you guys, and perhaps you can show your students, how to make the perfect, coolest, artsy, craftsy kind of gift for your caring, super cool teachers out there. So join me and we'll go through how to make these super cool crafts. As a teacher, I know the feeling when a student gives me something that they've made themselves. It's just a different feeling altogether. They put time and effort into something really cool that they've made by hand, and it's just a super special feeling. So today I am here, or we are here, to show you how to make 3 super cool, cute gifts to give your teacher to show your special appreciation. And so, with that being said, let us get stuck in to the first super cute, cool, kind of pretty easy to make wish box for your teacher. I think this is super cool and super cute, so let's get into it. First, prepare an empty Staples box. Some colored paper, like white, maybe red, and glitter paper as well. And some washi tape or any kind of decorative tape. Next, use the tape to cover the staples on the box to make it look a little bit nicer. Cut some little hearts using all the colored paper, making the red hearts smaller than the white hearts. Then, cut a small white rectangle and a bigger rectangle. Then stick the black one on top of the white one, write a little message on it, and stick it on the box. Next up, stick the red hearts on the white hearts and stick them anywhere you like on the cover of the box. On the glitter hearts, write some words for your special teacher and put it inside the box. We've made a little envelope to put the wishes in, but this last part is optional. So up to you. And just like that, you've created a super cute wish box for your students to make for their teachers, and if you like, they can even put little messages inside it. The second one we have is a letter of appreciation, but in the shape of a heart. Kind of cute. Here's how to make it. Firstly, prepare some colored paper and blank white paper. For this one, we have chosen green, but feel free to use any color you like. On the white blank paper, draw some flowers, color them in, and cut them out. Cut the colored paper into 2 pieces in the shape of a heart. Fold one of the hearts in half and draw 2 lines in the center of the paper in a triangle shape. Cut through the triangle line, but leave the edges uncut, as shown here. Then, stick the flowers in the triangle compartment that we have cut out. Take the other heart-shaped paper that we have previously cut out and glue it to the back and make it the cover. Finally, decorate it with drawings using colored pencils, markers, stickers, crayons, or whatever your imagination tells you. And our third and final artsy craftsy little Teacher's Day gift are these super cool, cute bookmarks. Here's how to make them. First off, prepare some square pieces of colored papers. Fold over one corner to create a triangle. Make sure that the top of the triangle is looking up and you have the long edge running perpendicular. Fold the lower right corner up to meet the top right angled corner. Repeat the same step for the left side. Then, fold these two back open. Flip down one of the top sheets and crease. Now, fold the flaps you created back up and tuck them into your bookmark. Repeat for the other side, and voila! There you have it! Finally, all you need to do now is to decorate it with some super cute drawings just like these ones. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we make our super cool, artsy, craftsy little gifts for Teachers' Day. I hope you guys enjoy them. I hope your students enjoy making them with you and sharing them with their favorite teachers out there. Hopefully it's you. Guys, please leave some comments below to let us know how these gifts went. As always, please give us a like, share this around to anybody who might find it useful. Follow us for more of this cool content. And as always, happy teaching. My name's Warren Hammond, signing out.